Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 72. In our last video, we saw inter-thread communication. In this video, we are going to discuss about difference between a wait and sleep method. So let's first understand what is the difference between wait and sleep method. The wait method releases the lock. In the last video, only we saw we use the same object for a two thread, and first thread hold lock, first thread release lock when we call wait method, and second thread get that lock, and second thread execute, then second thread call notify method, then again first thread get that lock. Okay, then sleep method don't release lock. Okay, sleep method don't release lock, it's only sleep for a particular amount of time. This is a method for object class. This wait method present inside the object class, and this sleep method present inside the thread class. This wait method is a non-static method. This sleep method is a static method. This wait should be notify by notify or notify all method. Okay, this wait until it's not get a notification by notify or notify all method. But this sleep method sleep specific amount of time, sleep is a complete. Okay, sleep method complete their sleeping in a specific amount of time. Okay, this is all difference between a wait and sleep method. Okay, let's see what exactly in a wait method. Okay, I'll simply here you can see in this is our last program 71 part 71. Here we call this wait method. You can see here we call this wait method. Okay, let's press control and open declaration. Okay, I'll simply open a declaration, and here you can see this wait method present inside a object class. You can see here object class. If we check here all method, okay, if we check object class all method, you can see inside object class here we have a wait method, here we have a notify all method, wait with a specific amount of time. We can use a wait method, for a specific amount of time. This wait method only wait for this specific amount of time. After completion this time, it will automatically resume their execution. Okay, and if you talk about the sleep method, okay, let's see here. Let's add here one sleep method. Okay, I'll simply add here sleep method. Okay, after this, okay, let's add thread dot sleep method, and here we need to pass some time, and we need to add here try catch, because sleep method throw compile time exception only. Okay, let's open this sleep method declaration. You can see this sleep method present inside the thread class. Okay, sleep, yield, all this method present inside the thread class, and inside the object class have a wait method and notify all method. Okay, you can see here I'll simply press Ctrl O, and here we got all method. You can see this one is the notify method. If you want to get more knowledge, then you can simply open this document, and you can read this document. Okay, that present inside the code. So here we saw what is the difference between a sleep and wait method, and where exactly present those method. Here wait method present inside the object class, wait, notify and notify, these three method present inside the object class, and sleep method present inside thread class. Okay, so in this video that's it. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.